conductor when conductor in the form of solid metal is rotated in a uniform magnetic field or placed in a rotating magnetic field, then current is induced in the metals which are like eddies in water, called as eddy current. They were first observed by Foucault, hence called as Foucault current. Write this next definition. Yes, completed.
So 1 minute, last line. Done, sir.
Disadvantages of eddy current. See, eddy currents are produced in the metal, solid metal. So mostly the solid metals, they are used for supporting the coil. Okay. Disadvantages of eddy currents. See, eddy currents are produced in a metal when placed in changing field or rotated in the field. So if this is suppose one support for the coil, here I connect one coil, here I connect another coil, this I connect to suppose alternating source. Actually it is transformer. So changing field will be produced. This is alternating. So there will be changing field. Due to this changing field, there will be changing flux. So in this core, we get current, which are like eddies in water, means concentric circle, they are not moving. Jageh pe gol gol ghum raha hai. But whenever there is current, we get I square RT heat produced. So this heat can melt the insulation of the coil. If insulation is broken, then one coil will touch over another. That is called short circuit. So I should avoid this excessive heat produced by eddy current. So first disadvantage is eddy currents produces large amount of unwanted heat in the core of transformer or generators. If not avoided, it can damage the coil of transformer or generators. So this is its disadvantage. Now we'll see how it can be minimized. Just write this, then we'll see how it can be minimized. So eddy currents produces large amount of unwanted heat in the core of transformer or generator. If not avoided, can damage the coil of transformer or generator. Can I clear this now, Amay?
Yes, sir.
Now how we can minimize this heat? See, if there is summer season going to come, you cannot stop that season, no? But I can have AC in my house to minimize the effect of this summer, correct? Hello? Hello? Hello, Amay, can you hear me?
ये पसंद आया.
Hello, Amay, can you hear me?
Hello.
You can hear me?
Yeah, sir.
So I said we cannot make the,
Hello.
yeah, can you hear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So this eddy current will be produced. I can't do anything, but I
Yeah.
can minimize their effect. So in the cores are made up of one minute, to minimize the heat produced by eddy currents, the cores are not made up of single solid but large number of thin laminated sheets insulated from each other having high resistivity. So by taking large number of, like this way, if I take one sheet, this is another, एक के ऊपर बहुत सा sheet रख दिया, so it will appear like this, but it is not single solid. Many solid pieces are overlapped on one on another. So by this, air current can enter, air will take away the heat. Second, I can put insulator so that एक का heat दूसरे के साथ touch नहीं होगा. So to minimize the heat produced by eddy current, the cores are not made up of single solid but large number of thin laminated sheets insulated from each other having high resistance. So advantage and how it can be minimized, that we have written. Disadvantage and how it can be minimized. Right, till this, then we'll see advantages.
Okay.
Done? Hello? Done now? Can I clear this?
Oh, sir.
Next, advantages of eddy current. First, dead beat galvanometer. To dead beat galvanometer means to bring the galvanometer to rest almost instantly. See, suppose this is coil of moving coil galvanometer mounted on rectangular metal frame such as aluminum or copper, suspended between strong magnet, concave shaped horseshoe magnet NS. When current is passed, it will get deflected. This coil will get deflected. When coil gets deflected means this core will get deflected. That means a conductor in the form of solid metal is rotating in the uniform field. Hence eddy current will be induced. But eddy currents are induced current. That means it will oppose the cause. That means when main current is stopped, then this eddy current's effect to oppose will be predominant and it will try to bring the coil to rest almost instantly. If this is not present, then there will be damped oscillation. That means there will be damping. So coil will just move to and fro and after some time it will come to rest. But till main current is there, induced current is too small to oppose it. So as soon as you stop the current, then eddy current helps to bring the coil back to the original position almost instant and makes the galvanometer a dead beat galvanometer. So that galvanometer which can be brought to rest almost instantly when current is stopped. अभी करंट स्टॉप मतलब डेड जैसा हो गया ना, तभी ये इंड्यूस्ड करंट बीट 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 मतलब मार मार के पीछे लाके इसको स्टॉप करता है, तो नाम दे दिया वो लोग ने डेड बीट गैल्वेनोमीटर. सो फर्स्ट एडवांटेज, it can make the galvanometer to come to rest almost instantly. So dead beat galvanometer, I am telling theory. When current is passed through coil of moving coil galvanometer, then coil gets deflected in uniform magnetic field. Hence, metal frame gets deflected and eddy currents are generated, which opposes the motion. Thus, when current is stopped, the eddy current helps to bring the coil back to its original position instantly and makes galvanometer a dead beat galvanometer, and makes the galvanometer a dead beat galvanometer. सर वो मैंने भेजा है उस एड्रेस, तो जरा देखो ना उसमें कौन कौन सा स्कूल चाहिए था. हाँ उसने पूरा ना मुझे एड्रेस का लिस्ट भेज दिया है, तो बोला सर कौन कौन सा स्कूल है जरा बताना. हाँ पूरा पूरा बॉम्बे का ही भेजा है उसने, तो आपको क्या आइडिया रहेगा ना कौन कौन से स्कूल है उधर. और 3 रुपया बोल रहा है सर. आईसीएसई 3 चलेगा मेरे को तो लग रहा है. ठीक है. Yes, completed. Hello, am I completed first use deadbeat galvanometer?
Done, sir.
So second one, induction furnace. Now, induction furnace is used to make alloys in industry on larger scale. So suppose this is one furnace and I do concealed wiring. I cannot see now from outside the wiring and connect this to an alternating source. So there will be changing field produced. In this field, if we place metal, now eddy currents produce, they produce heat. This heat is not unwanted. Now it is required to melt the metal. So earlier it was disadvantageous, now it is advantageous. So alloys can be made in industry on larger scale by using eddy current. So in induction furnace. In induction furnace, coil is wounded around furnace and it is connected to alternating source. Now, when metals are placed in furnace, the eddy currents are produced, which develops large amount of heat sufficient enough to melt the metals. Hence, alloys can be made in industries. Alloys can be made in industries. Completed बोलना? Completed? हेलो, जो एक्स्ट्रा वाला दिया है ना, तो अभी वो सर देख रहे हैं कि उनके आजू बाजू का कौन सा कॉलेज है, वो बताएंगे मुझे अभी आधे घंटे में तो कल। और अपना अपना जो हुआ है वो भेज दो ना मुझे, मैं आपको पास कर देता हूँ। हाँ कर देता हूँ, मेरा ईमेल आईडी है ना आपके, वो उस पर डाल दो। मैं जरा एक आ गया तो फिर मैं आपको तुरंत भेज देता हूँ। वैसे नहीं आया तो भी भेज दूंगा, उसमें कुछ नहीं होता, आप भेजोगे क्या है? भेजता हूँ भेजता हूँ। Hello, completed full?